So to do the integral of 1 over 1 plus sine of x, the first thing to do is to multiply the fraction throughout by the conjugate of the denominator. So since the denominator is 1 plus sine of x, this means we should multiply the fraction throughout by 1 minus sine of x over 1 minus sine of x. And this simplifies to 1 minus sine of x over 1 minus sine squared of x. We can use the Pythagorean identity 1 minus sine squared x equals cosine squared x to rewrite this as the integral of 1 minus sine of x over cosine squared of x dx. We can also split the fraction, so this becomes the integral of 1 over cosine squared of x minus sine of x over cosine squared of x dx. So we can rewrite this integral by rewriting 1 over cosine squared of x as secant squared of x, and sine of x over cosine squared of x can be rewritten as sine of x over cosine of x times 1 over cosine of x. So this is just equal to the integral of secant squared of x minus tan of x, since sine of x over cosine of x is just tan of x, and 1 over cosine of x is secant of x. So this entire integral is just the integral of secant squared x minus tan x secant of x dx. So we now have a sum in the integrand, and we can integrate each term separately. The integral of secant squared x is a standard integral, and it's equal to tan of x, since the derivative of tan x is secant squared x. Tan x secant of x is also a standard integral, and it's equal to secant of x. Therefore, the final answer is just tan x minus secant of x plus some constant c.